My name's Donna Griffiths. I'm a Partnership Manager for CITB. I help Kier to develop the Employment and Skills Plan, which is a requirement of the National Skills Academy for Construction, and that outlines Kier's commitments to training and development through targeted recruitment and training. Some of the examples for that are graduate placements, work experience, apprenticeship opportunities, and the training plans for supply chain. Kier's approach to training and development can be seen by its recent application for National Skills Academy status, which it was awarded successfully in December of 2016. And this collaborative process will help Kier and its supply chain achieve its KPIs. It's fantastic to see the development of the Construction Wales Innovation Centre, which is being constructed by Kier Construction. As part of this Skills Academy application, it'll see a number of individuals trained utilising this fantastic facility, which will be open in September 2018.